In this video, I will show you how to apply gradient fill in MS Word. For example, if you want to make a gradient fill in this paragraph to the text, then first you need to select the paragraph or the sentence you want to gradient fill, and then go to the format on the menu bar, and here you need to click on the format text effects. Once you click on that, you will see a navigation window bar on your right side. And here you need to click on the gradient fill. Then you need to select the color. For the present gradient, it is white gray. You need to click on that and select the color of your choice. For example, I select the green color. And then here you need to select the type, which is rectangular, and then I am the setting the direction, and direction is center, and then select the other color, and the other colors I'm selecting, for example, orange. And here you can see that the gradient color apply on the paragraph. Here from the sliders you can mix it up as per your choice, and then here you can also change the position as well, make it according to your choice. And here you can increase the transparency, and here you can set the brightness as well. So now you can that the gradient text effect is applied on the paragraph. So in this way you can easily set gradient text fill in MS Word. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.